lovely, lovely day. As it turned out, you had a good turnout, and I hope for the rest of your life you got a lovely lady there that you'll be satisfied with her, and I think you deserve one another. You're a lovely couple, and both of you look nice up here at the house, at the top of Ōpapa, and good luck, and may you have a safe and happy journey throughout your wedding life. Kia ora.
Congratulations to you both, and I hope you have a very happy marriage, and thank you for married here in Ōpapa. It's a beautiful place. God bless you both.
Congratulations, Mum and Stuart. I love you. Hey!
Don't worry, be happy. Be happy.